If you have a Porsche Panamera GTS, or I think any of the Porsche models, and your tire pressure sensor comes on with the little yellow icon that says, low pressure, and you can't get the dang thing to turn off, this just might help. So over here, there is, obviously, the light is not on. The yellow light is not on, indicating low air pressure, because I just turned it off. But the dang thing was over here to the left over here, and then it was down in the bottom right hand corner of this over here on the right. And I put the air in, drove it around, drove it on the highway, and the dang light would not come off. And I'm like, what is the heck? And so I came over here. This particular one has the controls on the steering wheel. Turned it to the tire pressure, as you can see there, and then I hit enter. Well, I went into the TPS mode here, and I click info on this and saw that. I'm like, okay, well, that's not it. And I couldn't figure out how to turn it off. And all I did, like right here, there's two modes. There's full load, and then there's comfort. All I did was click this down and turn the checkbox off. And then when I turned it back on, the yellow indicator light here by the low pressure just went away. So that might be some sort of like something that has to do with like resetting, like unchecking and checking that box, and then you're good to go. So if you have that low pressure sensor, that the light won't go off, and the air pressure is good, obviously it's good, that in this 2014 Panamera GTS fixed the problem. And I think this might be for a lot of other Porsche vehicles. Hope that helps.